Hello friends, this is Chanchal Sarkar. Today I will discuss about for loop in Java. Syntax. Syntax for loop. Syntax for loop. For initialization, semicolon, condition or increment or decrement here. Next block, second bracket open, statement, second bracket close. This is block. For loop. For loop, display 1 to 10, 1 to 20 serially. Display 1 to 20 serially in BlueJ. So first class declaration, class for loop, class for loop. Next, void main. Program is static type 1 to 20. So for integer type I starting initialization first 1, I equals to 1. Then condition I less than equals to 20, I less than equals to 20. This is condition. Then increment by 1. Next block start or for print system dot out dot print I plus one gap here B for space, B for one gap, B cross, B for one gap, close, void main close, class close. So output 1 to dot 20. First initialization I equals to 1. First. Then I less than equals to 20. I plus. This time I increment. First I starting 1. Next I plus. So I equals to 2. Then I equals to 3. Increment I plus. Loop continue. I execute. Print 1 2 dot I equals to up to 20.